Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about umbilical vesicle attains full development at 4 weeks. Umbilical vesicle or yolk sac is fully developed by week 4 and it is called as definitive or final yolk sac is seen at week 4. Primitive streak initiation and maintenance is due to nodal gene. Primitive streak initiation and maintenance is due to a gene which is nodal gene. What is this nodal gene? This nodal gene is a member of transforming growth factor beta family. One more gene which is important for embryological disc, which is also a member of transforming growth factor family, is bone morphogenic protein 4. It is secreted throughout the embryonic disc. Primitive streak are all except. Primitive streak is a first sign of gastrulation. Primitive streak is derived from epiblast. It appears at caudal end, not at cranial end. So primitive streak appears at caudal end. Primitive streak mainly appears at caudal end of embryo. True about notochord are all except. Notochord will define the axis of the embryo, correct. It serves as a primary inductor, true. Then it is derived from hypoblast, no, it is derived from epiblast. It remains as nucleus pulposus, true. So it is derived from epiblast. So notochord, epiblast cells are seen at the floor of the amniotic cavity in the blastopore region, and those epiblast cells will form the notochordal processes. These notochordal processes will later convert into or evolve into definitive notochord. So this notochord is called as the axis of embryo, and they are required for induction and patterning of the tissues. Once this notochord will eventually be lost. Once the definitive neural tube is produced, this notochord is lost and this will remain as nucleus pulposus. Remnant of notochord is nucleus pulposus is the remnant of notochord. Notochord is the transient embryonic anatomical structure which defines the axis of embryo. This remains as nucleus pulposus has remnant. First to be developed is primitive streak is the first to be developed. Primitive streak mainly originates from the anterior epiblast and it appears as an elongating groove or primitive groove, and this primitive groove appears on the dorsal mid surface of the epiblast. And now this primitive, at the end of the primitive groove, that is primitive streak, at the cranial tip of the primitive streak, you will see the primitive node. This primitive node will contain a depression which is called as primitive pit. This primitive pit is continuous with the primitive groove. Okay, next. Thank you and thank you for watching.